Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add or insert a cross symbol to a PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Foxit PDF Editor. Now select this Foxit e-sign option is top menu bar and click here. And this is cross symbol option. Click on this and put your cross symbol anywhere. And you can increase decrease the cross symbol size and move in here. Here you can change the cross symbol color and see this. Again click on this cross symbol and insert here. Change color. Also you can add custom color. Okay, let's see this. Let's see hand option. And see this. In this way you can insert cross symbol anywhere in your PDF file. Yeah. And finally select this file option. Save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.